Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the assertion failed error on FiveM. So you have to check a few things on your computer before trying to fix this error. First, if you're using a VPN and if you are using a firewall in second. Now if you're using a VPN, make sure that it's not interfering with FiveM and CFX servers. So be careful about that. If you have some interferences, try disabling your VPN and reopening FiveM and see if it works. If it works, then the problem is in your VPN or in your network. So maybe the problem is in your firewall. So you have to allow FiveM into the firewall and it won't be interfered with anymore. Now, these were the two things to check in the first place. The second thing to check is maybe the problem is from the FiveM servers. So if you have a problem like this assertion failed error, you might want to check the cfxre status. So just go to status.cfx.re or just go to Google and type FiveM status servers, just these words like that. And here you will find the CFXRE status. So here, as you can see, all the systems are operational and it's in all green, but sometimes it will be in red or in yellow. If it's in red, it means that the problem is in the FiveM servers. So yeah, you just have to wait a few minutes, a few hours until it's fixed, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.